Hello, and welcome to the Johns Hopkins University Open Source Programs Office Explainer Series, a collection of bite-sized videos tackling a variety of open source essentials. New topics are added regularly. Check out ospo.library.jhu.edu to see what's coming up, or drop us a line at ospo@jhu.edu to make a request. Today's explainer: what is open source project governance? Open source software is software with publicly available source code that is licensed to allow use, inspection, modification, and distribution by anyone. So, who is in charge of an open source project? A governance model describes the roles that project participants can take on and the process for strategic and tactical decision-making within the project. In addition, it describes the ground rules for participation in the project and the processes for communicating and sharing within the project team and community. Knowing what an open source project's governance looks like can help you understand how decisions are made, how priorities are set, how to contribute effectively, how stable a project is, who to contact, and who is ultimately responsible for the project. Common open source governance models include founder-leader, sometimes called benevolent dictator, duocracy, sometimes called meritocracy, delegated governance, and corporate-backed. Founder-leader, or benevolent dictatorship. In this model, one or a few founders are the final arbiters and ultimate decision makers for all aspects of the project. Community perception of the founders can impact the success of the project or program. Individual assignments may be ad hoc, and functionality decisions are usually dependent on the founder leader. Examples of founder leaders include the Linux kernel, Blender, and Ruby. Duocracy or meritocracy. Duocracies are loosely organized and reward participants who make valuable additions to the project. Standing can be enhanced by merit. Decisions are made by the community as a whole. Authority is decentralized, with direction ultimately set by the community at large. Committers play a unique role in shaping the project, and community norms are essential. Examples of duocracies include the Apache and Python foundations. In delegated governance, a body of leaders is chosen or elected to oversee the project, resolve conflicts within the community, modify the community norms and processes, and determine the project's core values. Authority is centralized at the top, but distributed through a chain of command. Many community members can hold some form of leadership role, and control over project direction will vary depending on how councils are selected. Examples of delegated governance include Ubuntu, Kubernetes, and Rust. Some projects are corporate-backed or walled gardens. In this model, individual companies or industry consortia may choose to distribute some software under the terms of an open source license as a way of reaching potential developers and users. But under this model, the governing organization may not accept contributions from anyone outside it or require a contributor agreement to accept a contribution. Examples of corporate-backed and walled gardens include VS Code, MongoDB, and TensorFlow. Does my open source project need governance? It depends. If you'd like to build a community and encourage contributions, a documented governance model can help. Get your governance plan started with a few simple steps. Identify decision areas. What strategic and tactical decisions need to be made? List roles and groups. Who could take responsibility? For example, boards, councils, individuals. Match decisions to roles. Assign each decision area to the right person or group. Test with real scenarios. Walk through actual situations your program faces. To learn more about open source governance, visit Open Source Guides, a collection of resources for individuals, communities, and companies who want to learn how to run and contribute to an open source project, Carl Fogel's free book, Producing Open Source Software, or the It Takes a Village project, which includes a series of activities designed to help create, evaluate, and evolve open source project governance. Need help developing a governance model for your open source project? Ask the JHU Open Source Programs Office. You can reach out to us online at ospo.library.jhu.edu or send an email to ospo@jhu.edu.